mag mbui mong'ere kaka Jumia, Dhialo higni 10 ka giketo nyasi mar bedo to kod customers ka achiel to kod josiro uso mekgi ma osebedo kuom higni 10 mokadho. Kambino noketo thuon wach mano mar 10 years with you kata higni 10 nitiere kodi. Mano en mar Dhialo customers ma oseketo mahino e loko chal mar ohala ahinya to kokalo e mbui.
Some of the legal and regulatory frameworks that Kenya has adopted to guide and regulate e-commerce include the Kenya Information and Communication Act of 2019, which was amended in 2013. We also have the Consumer Protection Act of 2021, the Data and Cybercrimes Act of 2018, the Electronic Transaction Bill of 2007, and the Information and Communication Bill of 2008. The country has put in place laws that promote the protection of intellectual property rights. These are first, the Constitution, and secondly, the Industrial Property Act of 2001, as well as the Copyright Act of 2001. The lack of advanced e-commerce skills for micro, small, and medium enterprises has been identified as one of the key hindrances to the growth and development of e-commerce in the country.
It is on this premise, ladies and gentlemen, that the government of Kenya has developed and put in place an enabling policy, legislative, and institutional framework that emphasizes the importance of technology and innovation in achieving Kenya's goals. We have in place the National ICT Policy that provides for more open and non-discriminatory trade barriers that may create a thriving market for ICT products and services. The policy promotes market access for ICTs, open government procurement to competition, and promotes cross-border